Managing outdoor recreation on large properties is complex. Landowners are balancing access, safety, conservation, and user experience all at once. iSportsmanARX was built to simplify that challenge. It provides a smarter, centralized way to manage recreation, giving landowners confidence and control. iSportsmanARX is designed for land trusts, ranches, hunt clubs, and large corporate landowners. It helps manage access, track recreational use, and understand exactly what's happening on your property, whether you're in the field or behind a desk. Everything works seamlessly from a smartphone or computer, making large-scale recreation management both practical and efficient. At the core of ARX are 5 key capabilities. It allows landowners to control who has access to their property, manage one or multiple properties, and divide land into zones for different uses. Setup is straightforward and self-guided, backed by US-based support teams available around the clock. Most importantly, ARX delivers meaningful management data that supports better decisions. ARX brings all aspects of recreation management into one connected system. From initial setup to real-time activity tracking and reporting, each feature works together to reduce manual effort and increase visibility. The result is a more organized, safer, and data-driven approach to land management. Everything begins with the dashboard. This is where landowners and administrators set up their property, define activities, and manage users. The dashboard acts as the central command center for managing recreation across the property. ARX allows you to create and edit land boundaries and zones using an intuitive map editor. If you already have mapping data, you can simply upload a KML file. Zones help define where activities are allowed, reducing conflicts and improving overall safety and organization. Within zones, ARX allows you to add facilities. These might include shared assets owned by the land, such as stands or parking areas, or facilities owned by individual members for exclusive use. This flexibility ensures the system accurately reflects how your land is used. Facilities can represent almost anything on the property. Lodging, bunks, parking, blinds, tree stands, bridges, feeders, and more can all be labeled and tracked. If it matters to users or managers, ARX can capture it on the map. Administrators can easily invite staff, members, and guests into the system. This keeps access controlled while making onboarding simple. Everyone enters the land with clear expectations and accountability. Check-ins and checkouts are a core safety feature of ARX. Landowners can see who is currently on the property and review past activity at any time. All activity is displayed visually through an interactive map. For users, the check-in process is simple. They select their activity, choose a zone and facility if applicable, indicate how long they plan to be out, and note any guests. This provides immediate visibility for land administrators. Checking out is just as easy. Users select their check-in, add a report about their outing, include observations if desired, and then check out. Each visit becomes a record that contributes to long-term insight. The land occupancy map provides a real-time view of activity across the property. Managers can instantly see where people are and which areas are getting the most use. This supports safety, conflict avoidance, and smarter planning. Observations allow staff and members to share real-time feedback while they're on the land. These reports provide insight into conditions, wildlife sightings, and maintenance needs. They give landowners valuable awareness, even when they're not on site. Observations can include general notes, maintenance concerns, or animal sightings. They can be shared with the group or kept private for scouting purposes. This balance encourages useful reporting without oversharing. The pressure map shows intensity of use across different areas of the property. It helps identify overused zones and supports conservation goals. With this insight, managers can make proactive adjustments to access and activity. ARX also supports wildlife management and reporting. Harvest data and other metrics can be viewed through custom reports and charts or exported for deeper analysis. This ensures decisions are informed by real, reliable data. Together, these tools deliver 4 major benefits: more efficient management, improved safety, better data, and increased, responsible access. ARX helps landowners protect the land while allowing people to enjoy it. If you'd like to learn more about iSportsmanARX, we'd love to connect. Our team is based in Virginia Beach and ready to discuss your specific land management needs. Thank you for your time.